A started a business by investing 13,600. After 4 months, B and C joined with 17,600 and 15,200. Annual profit earned was 46,550. C's share of profit is, right. A started, so he will be there for 12 months. B and C joined after 4 months, so they will be there for 8 months. Cancellation with 8 once, 8 7 times. Cancellation with 4 again, 3 times, 4 44 times, 4 38 times. So total 17 3 times, 51 parts, 44 parts, 38 parts. Total 133 parts. 133 parts is equal to 46,550. You are asked to calculate C's share. 38 parts is equal to how much? This is what you need to calculate. If you calculate, you will get 13,300 as your answer. Come on, 133 how many times? 3 times. How much is that? 399. 465 minus 399, 66, and then you have 5. That means 655. How many times is that? 5 times. And then you have a 0. Yes or no? Forget about 0. 38. How many times you are supposed to take? Come on. Can we take this as 35 times and 35 3 times? Yes. What is this? 12 25. What is this? 12 25 plus 105. How much is that? 13 30. 13 30. And still you have a 0? 13,300. Started a business by investing 35,000. At the end of 7th month from the start of the business, B joined with 24,000. At the end of 9th month from the start of the business, C joined with 30,000. B's share in the annual profit of end of the year was 4,480. What was total profit received? Right. A invested 35,000, B invested 24,000, C invested 30,000. A started the business, so will be there for 12 months. B joined after 7 months, so he will be there for 5 months. C joined after 9 months, so will be there for 3 months. 3, 8 times, 4 times, 5 7 times, 5 cancel, 6 times. Again cancellation with 2. Here you will have 14 parts, 4 parts, 3 parts. Total 21 parts. You are given some number 4,480, which is amount received by B, which is equal to 4 parts. As you have 0 in 4,480, in 21 parts also you will get 0. 4 into which number ends with 8? Either 2 or 7. So here last digit in 21 is 1. 1 into 2 may end with 20, or 1 into 7 may end with 70. Answer should end with either 20 or 70. There is only one option which is ending with 20. Final answer. ABC invests in a business and the share of their investments is in the respective ratio 1/8, 1/6, 1/5. LCM. LCM of denominators 120. Yes. Come on, multiply every fraction with 120. 15 parts, 20 parts, 24 parts. Yes. Right. After 6 months from the start of the business, A withdraws 2/3. A invested 15 parts, B invested 20 parts, C invested 24 parts. After 6 months, A withdraws 2/3. 2/3 of 15 parts, 10 parts. If 10 parts withdrawn, remaining 5 parts. That will be there for 6 months. And C tripled his investment. Is there any change in B's investment? So B's investment will be there for 12 months. C's investment will be there for 6 months. After that, tripled in the sense 3 times. 3 times in the sense 72. That will be there for 6 months. Take 6 common in every term and go for cancellation. 6 cancel, 6 2 times, 6 cancel. Come on, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 into 2, 40. 24 plus 72. 96. Cancellation with 4. 5 times. 10 times. 20. 4 times. Total number of parts? 30. 39 parts is equal to total profit 3900. 100 times, right? B's profit. B is getting how many parts? 10 parts. 10 hundreds. 1000. First option. A started by investing 25,000. At the end of 4 months from the start of the business, B joined with 15,000. At the end of 6 months from the start of the business, he joined with 20,000. A will be there for 12 months because he started the business. B joined after 4 months, so he will be there for 8 months. C joined after 6 months, so he will be there for 6 months. 4, 3 times, 2 times, 5 times, 5, 3 times, 5, 5 times, 3, 3, 2 times. So ratio 5 is to 2 is to 2. If A's profit is 7,750, which is 5 parts, right? 5 parts is equal to 7,750. Total profit is 9. 5 how many times? 5 ones, 5 fives, 5 fives, and then 0. Yes or no? Now you should multiply 9 with 1550 only. Come on. 50 into 9 and ends with 50 only. Answer should end with 50. Fifth option, final answer. As you have 0, you will get 0. 9 into 5 ends with 5. Answer should end with 50. ABC started a business by investing amounts in the ratio 8, 4, 9. A invested for a period which was 1.5 times of C invested. B invested for a period of which was 3/4 of C investment. So let us start with C because B depends on C and A also depends on C. As denominator is 4, C's time period is 4 parts, then B's time period is 3/4 of 4, that is 3 parts, and A's time period is 1.5 times of 4, that is 6. Cancellation 4, 4, 2 times. Cancellation with 3 again, 3, 2 times, 3 cancel, 3 times. Ratio 4, 1, 3. Total how many parts? 8 parts. If the annual profit received was 2,320, what was the total share of A, C together? A and C together receives how many parts? 7 parts. Total profit 8 parts. 8 parts is 2, 3, 2, 0. 7 parts is how much? 8 3 times 24? Yes or no? 8 30 times 240? But you have 8 less than 240? That means 1 time less than 30 times? 29 times and then a 0. 7 times of 290, you will have 0, 7 nines, 63, answer should end with 30. Or else you can subtract 290 from 2320. 8 parts minus 1 part is 7 parts. Don't multiply 7 with 290. If you want to multiply, verify last digit. Otherwise, 8 parts minus 1 part. 1 part is 290, we already got it. ABC start a small business, B invests 200 more than A. So if A invests X rupees, B will invest X plus 200. C invests twice of B, that means 2X plus 400, 2 times of X plus 200. Annual profit earned was 3,300 and A's share from the annual profit was 660. So A's share 660 out of 3,300. Are you getting? Which is equal to 1 by 5 and which is equal to A's share out of total share. How much is A investment? X. Out of total investment, in the sense we have to add everything, which is equal to 4x plus 600. If you go for cross multiplication, 4x plus 600 is equal to 5x. X is equal to 600. You are asked about A's investment. A's investment is equal to X, which we got it as 600. B's investment 800. C's investment 1600. AB started a business together by investing 21,600, 26,400. After 4 months, he joined them with an amount of 16,800. If they earned an annual profit of 11,396, what is A share? 21. See, every investment is having 2 zeros common, so I don't want to write it. 216, 264, 168. First two invested for 12 months. C joined after 4 months, so will be there for 8 months. 12, 12, 12, 14 times. Next, cancellation with 8. 8 how many times? 8, 2, 16, 56. 56 in the sense 7 times. 8, 3 is 24. Again 3 times. And then 14. So total how many parts we have? 74. How many parts we have? 74 parts is equal to 11,396. We need to calculate A's share, which is equal to 27 parts. 27 is 9 multiple. Answer should be 9 multiple. Before verifying 9 multiple, just a minute. Verify last digit and then go for 9 multiple. 4 into which number ends with 6? Either 4 or 9. What is last digit here? 7 4 ends with? 7 9 ends with? Come on. So your answer may end with either 8 or 3. First 3 cannot be your answer. Is your fourth option 9 multiple? Come on. Is your fifth option 9 multiple? 4158. Final answer.